Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Time. This is the fourth video of our Android app development tutorial for beginners, and in this video I will show you how you can open a new activity in your Android application. So without wasting a time, let's get started here. Open your Android Studio. I have already created the project as you can see here. So first of all, we have to design our app. And in the design I will not do so many things. I will only create a button here. So change design to blueprint, then drag a button here, specify the constraints, and right here start new activity. I will make some changes in .xml also. I will change the font size to 30 dp, and I will also change the font family and font style to bold. Now that's it in the design part. Now let's create a new activity here. In this package, hit on new and select an empty activity. Give the name as new activity. Hit on finish. So new activity is created, as you can see here. Activity new.xml is also created. So here is our activity new.xml. Here we have to design our new activity. So I will only drag and drop a text view here, and in the text view I will write welcome to new activity. I will change the font size to 30 dp, and I will also change the font style to bold and font family. So that's it in the design part. Now let's go in our main activity.java, and what I will do here, first I will get the button in our main activity.java. So this is the button. Copied the ID of this button and write button, call the method find view by id, r.id. Paste the ID of the button. Now set an on-click listener on this button. We have to override this method, which is on-click method. Now to open a new activity we have to create an intent. Intent is used to create a new activity, and intent will also be used to send data between activities. So in the upcoming video I will show you how you can transfer data from one activity to another activity. So write intent here. Intent, and in this write or pass get application context, then the name of your activity that you want to open, which is new activity in my case, and pass class here. Now we have to call a method called start activity, and in this we have to pass the intent. So that's it in the coding. Now let's run it on our real device and check whether it is working or not. So this is our real device and this is our app. Now let's open it. So this is the button that will open a new activity. Hit on this button. So a new activity is opened. It is printing the message that welcome to new activity. Let's open it again. So it's working fine. So that's it in this video. If you have liked the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to get updates of more programming tutorials and get more Android development tutorials. So that's it. If you have any doubt, then comment your doubts in the comment section. Thanks for watching.